So what I do with this is I do a pre-scrub before I remove any of the water, and then I remove the water with a pump. I think that's an 800 gallon per hour pump. I have a video on that. It's a Vivo Sun pump. And then I vacuum everything that I basically scrubbed off. You end up with super clean tanks like this. And we're doing these 420s. Should be about a 20-minute water change. That's I think it's a 1500 gallon per hour pump, and everything goes from the toilet, from the tank to the toilet. And this is actually clean water coming from our reservoir in the back with a 1500 gallon per hour pump. So basically the water pumps in at that speed. By the time this is done pumping out, I can move that one over here, and they kind of get like, I want to say about 100% water change during the whole process. Everything is done with a remote, and then when I transfer it over like that, click on the remote, water turns back on. I keep on pumping over here on the side, and you know, basically just pushing out all the dirty water. I like to put the pump on one side and then pump the clean water on the other side, so it kind of like pushes everything over. But that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna bore you guys with the rest of the water change, but that one's done, this one's done, this one's almost done, and then that one is now draining.